Hi guys, the resource that I chose was Dungeness Crabs. Here's an image of a Dungeness crab. They live along the North American west coast, and and humans use them for food because they taste very good, and they are harvested to sell. So they are very important for the economies along the coast. Um, they are extracted through crab pots. Um, here the Monterey Bay Fisheries Trust shows an image of one of these crab pots. Um, a crab pot is just an enclosed pot with a hole at the top and bait inside. Crabs will smell this bait and they will climb through the hole to eat the into the pot to eat the bait, and then they'll get trapped in here. Uh, these pots later on will get pulled up and the crabs trapped inside removed and harvested. So uh, these Dungeness crabs, they are a renewable resource since crabs can reproduce and increase their numbers. Um, it does not there is not a finite amount of crabs. Even if there's a small amount of crabs, they can reproduce and repopulate themselves. So they are renewable. Uh, but that being said, there is always the risk of crabs running out, especially if overpopulation happens. Um, However, currently Dungeness crabs are not endangered or threatened because there are government agencies that regulate the type of crab harvested and the amount of crabs harvested. For example, undersized and female crabs are released back so that they can reproduce more, and they are also limited by a quota. Uh, so, uh, so there are a number of environmental impacts that are affecting these crabs. Um, One environmental impact from collecting is since these crab pots have long lines, these lines can get tangled with humpback whales, which greatly impacts the humpback whales. Also, ocean acidification and algae blooms, they are major stressors on crab populations. Um, all right. Now let me show you my work cited. Here is my work cited. As you may see, um, many of my sites come from NOAA and NOAA. It stands for the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. It is a government agency, um, so it's government backed. It has scientific integrity. So it is a very credible site. And one interesting fact about Dungeness crabs are uh, they taste very good. That's it. Thank you. Bye.